Water Middle School, and I'm here to teach you about hands-on equations. So the first thing that I want to teach you about is the blue pond and the white pond. And so the blue pond equals x, and the white pond equals the opposite of x. And then we have the green constant here, and then we have the red constant, which is always positive, and the blue is always, or the green is always negative. And then also, together, these make a pair of zeros, the blue and white ponds. So here's my very first problem for you guys to try. It is x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So here it is over here, and we have it set up. And so first, I'm going to tell you something about legal moves here. So what you can do first is you can take a pair of 0, which is a pair of 0 here. You can take that pair of 0 by adding 1 to both sides here, and make sure you keep them even at all times. And so then you can take those both away, and it would be a legal move. And then also, you can take away the same thing from both sides. So like if I had 2 blues, you can take them away. And then also, you can, actually I think that's it. But anyways, let's get on with the problem here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away these 2 here, and then we have a 10 left over here and a 2 left over here, and then the 2 blue pawns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this 2 here, this positive 2, because I don't want it. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a negative 2 here, and then what I add on to this side, I'd have to add on to this side. So I'm going to take 2 negative 2's here, and I'm going to take and add them to both sides here. And then since those equal a pair of 0, I'm going to take this away. And so then, together this would equal a negative 8. And so let's get a negative 8 in here. Or, I meant positive 8. Oops, here's a positive 8. Here's a positive 8 here. And then together these would equal positive 4. So this is a positive 4 and this is a positive 4. And there's your answer. My next problem is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. So here it is. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your 3 pawns here, your blues. Take 3 of those because you want to get rid of your white pawns first. So then you're going to have to add the same amount to both sides. So then you can take away those because they're all pairs of zeros. And then you can't take away the 2. So then you would have to take away the green 10. And how you're going to do that is you're going to take the positive 10 and a positive 10 because you have to add the same thing. So then this would become 12 and this becomes a pair of zeros, so you can take that out. And then we have 4 left over. And so 4 goes into 12 3 times. So each of these blue pawns would equal 3. Okay, so here is our final problem. It's 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 1. So here's the problem set up, and so the first thing that you would want to do is you want to take all of your pairs of zeros that are matching on the sides. So I'm going to take these ones here and these ones here. So there we go with those, and then these ones here. And then the next thing you want to do is get rid of these whites. So then you're going to bring in 4 blues so that you can add 2 here and add 2 here, and then you can take away these ones because they're pairs of zeros. And then you want to get rid of the 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a positive 1 to both sides. So that way these cancel each other out, and then you have 6 over here and 3x over here. So that leads me to have all of these blue pawns equal 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about hands-on equations.